Good afternoon mo pa nga kulupang kasangkayan mga igkasiko mga plant lovers and gardeners. Good afternoon. So nandito ulit ako sa aking garden or mini farm, whatever you want to call it, kasi I am just going to give you a quick update sa aking mga Hawaiian pineapple. So as you can see, hindi lang masyadong maganda tingnan ngayon because this needs a lot of weeding kasi it's been quite a while since the last time I came here para sana maglinis. So as you can see, hindi na siya ganun kaganda tingnan ang aking mga Hawaiian pineapples because katatapos lang mag-harvest a few months ago. So I planted this one about 8 months to 1 year. So ang bilis lang, no, after 8 months to 1 year I was able to harvest pineapple. So bakit nga ba? That is because instead of planting pineapples from crowns, I planted pineapples from suckers or sleeper. So I am not sure kung I am using the right term, pero yung tinutukoy ko ay this one. This is the suckers or sleepers. I don't know. Please comment down below na lang sa mga nakakasigurado because ako nakalimutan ko na kasi kung anong tawag sa mga planting materials ng pineapple. So I just wanted to give you a tip pagdating sa pagtatanim ng pineapple. So it is advisable and it's better to plant pineapples from suckers or sleepers. This one, I am talking about this one kasi in just 8 months time to 1 year ay makapag-harvest na kayo ng pinya. So pwede rin namang magtanim from pineapple crowns like this one, but the disadvantage of planting pineapples from crown ay yung parte na nasa ibabaw ng bunga, we call it crown. So the disadvantage is that you have to wait for more than a year to up to 3 years para makapag-harvest ng bunga. While compared to pineapples planted from sleepers or suckers ay makakapagtanim na kayo makakapag-harvest na kayo from 8 months to 1 year. So ganon kalaki yung diferensya nila sa itinatanim those from crowns compared those planted from suckers or sleepers. So, as you can see, ito lahat yan, namunga na yan. Sa loob lamang ng 8 months to 1 year, I was able to harvest. And ngayon nga ay may mga tumutubo na pang planting materials for pineapple. And as you can observe, this plant alone has 3 planting materials. So ang gagawin ko dito kasi hindi ko na ito bubunutin, I have to take 2 suckers or sleepers. So and mag-iwan lang ako ng isa para meron ulit matitira dito. So I am planning that I will leave this one kasi siya yung nasa ilalim na, and I am going to take this one na pangtanim ulit kasi these are quite big already. So dalawa na. So that means in 8 months time to 1 year ay makapag-harvest ulit ako. Ayan. So ayan. Ito rin, kung nakikita nyo, meron na ring tumutubo na sucker or sleeper. So hindi lang ako sure with the term I am using pagdating sa planting materials ng pinya, but I am sure na these are the best part of the plant na pang planting materials ulit ng bagong pinya. Ito rin maliliit pa sa dalawa. So pag lumaki-laki na yan, I have to take one and leave the other one para dyan ulit siya tutubo. And also this one medyo malaki-laki na rin. The plan is I have to leave one sleeper or suckers there, tapos I have to take one para ulit pang planting materials. And also this one meron na yung tumutubo na sucker or sleeper. So bahala na kayong makulitan, but I have to say this again, if you want an early harvest sa inyong mga pinya, you have to plant new pineapple plants from suckers or sleeper like this one instead of planting pineapples from crowns, kasi malaki yung diferensya ng gaano kakatagal makakapag-harvest from those planted from crown and those planted from suckers. So ayan, actually I still have pineapple crowns here. So I am not saying na don't plant pineapples from crowns kasi magtutubo din naman siya and baka kapang munga. Yun nga lang, the disadvantage, sabi ko pang kanina, ay medyo matagal bago mamunga. Kung maluwang-luwang naman ang lupa nyo and nanghihinayang kayo sa mga crowns na itatapon, of course you can still plant pineapple crowns kasi pwede naman siyang itanim. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na bawal magtanim ng pineapple crowns. Ang sinasabi ko lang, mas maganda na planting materials are yung pineapple suckers or sleepers. So I just wanted to give you an update sa aking mulberries. Ayan, these are mulberries. This is Australian mulberries. Walang bunga to ngayon kasi katatapos lang mag-harvest weeks ago. But I have 2 trees here. Ayan. Maraming bunga ngayon to. Ayan. And also this one. And also I have calamansi and they're quite big already. These are marketed calamansi. Ayan. Siguro mag-iisang taon na to, mahigit. Lampas ng isang taon na matapos kong itanim. At medyo malalaki na sila and I have I think 20 calamansi trees dito sa aking garden. So ayan. Yan, kalamansi hanggang doon. Puro kalamansi yan. Doon. Doon. Ayan pa, puro yan kalamansi. And as you can see, sabi ko pa nga kanina, there's a lot of weeding to be done dito sa aking garden kasi ayan o, matataas na yung mga damo. I have to clean this mamaya lang. So ang plano kasi kanina is to give you an update lamang or tips about planting pineapple. So review lang tayo, ulitin ko lang ulit, it is better or advisable to plant pineapples from suckers or sleepers like this one and also this one instead of planting pineapples from crowns. Kasi nga, sabi ko pa kanina, mas matagal yung iintayin nyo na mamunga yung mga pineapples nyo pag if you planted the pineapples from crowns. Ayan. Ito, I'm planning to take this one kasi malalaki na sila. So, pwede nang kunin to at itanim. Titira lang yung isa sa ilalim. Medyo malalaki na sila. Ang lalaki ng bunga nito na na-harvest ko from this one. Yan. So hanggang dito na muna mga kasangkayan kasi nga maglilinis muna ako. Actually nag-ano na ako doon, nagsiga na ako doon kanina. I'll just have to continue weeding my garden.